Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to crop videos in InShot. InShot is a versatile and beginner-friendly video editing application that offers a wide range of tools to enhance your videos. And one of its most useful features is the crop tool, which allows you to adjust the frame size, remove unwanted edges, or change the aspect ratio of your video for different social media platforms. And in this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to crop videos in InShot quickly and accurately. So first, you need to open your InShot app on your phone. And once you reach into this interface, we can find these videos, photos, or collage. Select the video you want to crop to from your gallery or select to this video over here. And after that, you can tap on this new in order to select the video from your gallery. You can also select to this draft to import into the video timeline over here. And once you reach into this interface, your video will now appear in the editing workspace. You need to tap on this video clip on your timeline here. And over here, we need to slide it a little bit until you find this crop. We can find this crop, select to this crop here. Over here you can also choose the preset sizes such as 1:1 is for Instagram, 9:16 is for the TikTok Reels or the Shorts, and 6:9 is for the YouTube. Simply tap on the desired ratio and the frame will adjust automatically. You can also drag to the corners over here of the frame to manually adjust the visible area of your video. And once satisfied, you can save it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.